Okay, these are the Akko Radiant Rates, and I've been neglecting these switches for way too long, and I should have gotten these earlier because these switches are so good. They are priced at around 90 cents to 1 ringgit per switch. Because of that, these switches fall into the budget switch category. And being in that category, I think these switches are just too good. This is a comparison of the Radiant Rates to the switch I'm currently using, the Dogikon Linears. I'm just surprised how talky and good these Radiant Rates sound, and a small part of me kinda prefer the Radiant Rates over my Dogikon, because the Radiant Rates are slightly louder and poppier. The Dogikons are definitely still smoother, but hey, these Dogikons aren't cheap, so I should kinda expect more from them. But let's loop the Radiant Rates and see how they perform. There is definitely a noticeable difference between these looped and stock Radiant Rates. The looped Radiant Rates sound softer, making it sound really similar to my Dogikon Linears. I would recommend to try both looped and stock first to see which you guys would prefer before looping them all. All in all, I'm just really surprised at how great these switches sound and can easily say these are my favorite budget linears at the moment. I think these Radiant Rates can even go up against some premium linear switches. I'll end this video with a full sound test on my KBD67 Lite.